Hello, welcome back. Today let's try to solve Leetcode problem 1218, longest arithmetic subsequence of given difference. So we are given a difference of 1. We just need to find the longest arithmetic difference. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the arithmetic difference is still 1 and the longest is 4. And this example, the difference is 1. But for this array, the arithmetic difference is 2. So we just need to return 1. And for this example, the difference is 4, so the difference is minus 2, so we need to find some sequence like 7, 5, 3, and 1, and the longest arithmetic difference for minus 2, it is 4. So for such a problem, we need to find some properties of the array. First of all, the length of the array is 10 to the power of 5. It means if you are using longest increasing subsequence or decreasing subsequence, you cannot solve it in O(n) square. Yeah, and also we need to consider the numbers. So for example, this number 3 up to here is the arithmetic difference is 3. So for example, we have another 3 after 4. It would still be the same. Now let me try to prepare another example here. So after that, if we have another 3, maybe here. So what is the longest arithmetic difference for this 3? It is still 1, 2, 3. It is still 3. Yeah. What about we have 3, 3, 3? It is always be 3. What about we have 4 and 5? After that, we still have a 3. So what is the longest arithmetic difference for this 3? It is still 3. So this means we can use dictionary for our DP array. So this is the intuition. So what are we going to do? We just prepare a DP array as a dictionary, default dict, because we're going to store the k as our numbers. For example, this is number 3, and the value as the longest distance for this number. So for example, for this 3, the longest distance is 3. So inside, we just prepare an integer. Now we are going to look through the array. So for n in array, we just need to check, update the dpn. So here dp is a dictionary. So dpn should equal to dpn minus difference plus 1. Why? Yeah, because for example, this one is 3. This number is 3. So n minus difference is 1. For example, here this difference is 1. So 3 minus 1 is dp2. So for our dictionary dp2, it is still 2. 2 plus 1, it is 3. Yeah, so that is why we just need to return max dp dot values. Yeah. Now let me just print out the dp. You will see it clearly what I mean by that. Yeah, now let's just have a look of the dp dictionary. Actually, this is also a dp method. Yeah, another dp method is you are not initialize the dp as an array. You're going to initialize it as dictionary because you are not going to check its index or its numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 until to the biggest number. You maybe only check some of the numbers, not all of them. Yeah, for example, 1, 2, 4, maybe 7, 9, 10, like this way. You are not going to check all the numbers. You're just going to check some of the numbers inside the array. Yeah, so it means these numbers are not continuous, like from 1 to 1000. It is just separate numbers. So this is why we're going to use a dictionary. And inside the DP, you can see that. So for the 0, so the longest is 0 because there's nothing 0 inside. So for example, it is 1. As we know it, it is 1. For 2, it is 2. This is for the first example. This one, I think for the first example. For the 2, it is 2, 3 and 3, and 4 and 4. Yeah, let's just check one value of 4. So dp4 equals 4 minus 1, it is dp3. So dp3, it is 3. 3 plus 1, it is 4. Yeah, this is why it works. because for the 0, it is 0 for our default dict. If we're gonna calculate something, so the 0's value is 0. This is the initialization. Yeah, if we are going to check some numbers like dp5, 5 is not inside, but the value is still 0. Because here, for n equal to 1, the first number 1, we are going to use dp1 minus 1, it is dp0. So here, we are going to use a 0. That is why dp1 equals 1. And after that, 2, 3, 4, always calculated using the previous state. So that is why this is also a DP problem. And it's a very famous problem by only using dictionary to avoid the memory. And also the time complexity is just ON. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. As you can see, it's pretty fast and it passed all the testing cases. Thank you. See you.